To fix the volume on your phone, it's essential to identify the possible causes of the issue. The volume may be turned down, or Do Not Disturb mode may be activated, which can silence notifications, alarms, and other media. Additionally, connected external Bluetooth audio devices can also reroute the sound, resulting in no sound on your device. To resolve these issues, start by checking your phone's volume levels. Press the volume button to access the sliders. Then tap the three dots to bring up the sliders pop-up menu, and adjust the media volume levels accordingly. Next, disable Do Not Disturb mode by accessing the Quick Settings panel, locating the Do Not Disturb icon, and tapping it until it turns gray. If the problem persists, try disconnecting any connected Bluetooth audio devices by swiping down from the top to access the Quick Settings panel, finding the Bluetooth icon, and tapping it until it turns gray. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the volume on your phone and restore the sound.